In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up n8n self-hosting. This works if you are an n8n beginner or n8n pro or anywhere in between. Before I walk you through the process, the main reason I see for why you'd want to self-host n8n is so that you don't have to pay for the n8n subscription. If you ask ChatGPT, here's what ChatGPT says. Self-hosting gives you full data control, so privacy. So if you're in like a super regulated industry, healthcare, insurance, finance type stuff, you have all the control over the server. That's what this full data control means. It's not as easy to get started because you have to set up a server and configure it however you want it to be set up. It's lower cost because you're taking over all that configuration labor that otherwise n8n would be doing. It is more technically complex because of that, but you're able to do more customization, and your plan and what provider you're using determines like your uptime, and then security is your job, where if you're using the n8n cloud, it's handled. All right, so now I'm going to walk you through the process so I can give you the most simple view of how all this works as possible. So first we go to render.com. So this is my chosen provider. Go to the top right, click Get Started. You can log in with an email. I'm just creating a password. Click Create Account. So now it'll send you an email verification. Let me pull that up. So it just sent us an email. So we can go to Gmail, and we see this email from Render. Go verify. What should we call you? I don't know. Other? I don't know. I'm not sure. Continue. So we want to do the hobby plan so we don't have to pay. Then we click Select Plan. So on the Choose Service tab, we want to click this New Web Service link. And then now we're configuring our new web service. So we want to go to Existing Image. And then in another tab, we want to go to this hub.docker.com for n8n. It's where the n8n image is hosted. So we need to find the docker.io path for n8n. So we come down here, it says start n8n in Docker. We have this docker.n8n.io path. So we take that over, paste it in here into the image URL, and then we click connect. You can change the name if you like. It defaults to n8n. You can create a project if you want, but what we want to do is go down to this instance type. And to start with, we want to start in the free tier. So the free tier is great because you don't have to pay, but it isn't great in that this server will shut off every 15 minutes of inactivity. So if you wanted to make the free tier last long and not turn off, you'd probably have to set up some automated task to run like every 14 minutes or something to ping the server to keep it awake. Or you could just pay for, a higher tier. So now we come all the way down and we go deploy web service. Brings us to this page. It's starting it. It'll do a bunch of stuff in the logs here. And then, so once this is done, we'll be able to set up, or we'll be able to log into n8n and configure that. All right. So it says your service is live. That means it's finished and ready to be used. So overall, that took, I think it started at like 11:47. It's not going all the way back. That doesn't matter. So it took like about 5 minutes to deploy. So now it says your service is live. What we can do now is go to this, copy this link, and add that to or just search that in the browser or whatever to open it. And this is our self-hosted n8n instance.